Okay, so how do we simplify this trig expression? So as Ben mentioned, writing these in terms of sine and cosine is probably the easiest thing to do. So cotangent is the same as cosine over sine. And then the cosecant is 1 over the sine. And the sine is already sine. Okay, now it'd be nice to get rid of this complex fraction. So I'm going to write that sine over 1. I'm going to get common denominators. So I'm going to multiply this side of this denominator by sine t over sine t, which is just another expression for 1. So that gives me 1 minus sine squared t all over sine t. And if I look at those Pythagorean identities, I know that 1 minus sine squared t, remember this Pythagorean identity is sine squared x, or t in this case, plus cosine squared t, or x, equals 1. So if we solve this for cosine squared, you'll see it's the same as that expression. So I'm going to replace that numerator with cosine squared t over sine t. So let's rewrite everything here. So I've got the numerator up here. I've got cosine t over sine t divided by this. And when I divide fractions, I got to take the reciprocal of the second one and multiply, right? So I'm going to think of this as cosine t over sine t times sine t over cosine squared t. And then what I'm seeing I can do, well, those sine t's cancel out. I can cancel out one of those cosines. So that gives me 1 over cosine t, which is another name for secant t. And that should be the answer. Hope that helps you out.